When the pandemic hit, our specialists were sent to the front lines to do the nasopharyngeal swabs.
COVID-19 is a very big wake-up call for Singapore to actually speed up our activities in terms of producing more food for the nation.
We found that the contact tracing process was very laborious, very difficult to do.
COVID has given us an enormous set of these problems to solve at no notice and at enormous speed.
We have seen many types of innovation come in, and certainly we really applaud the inventiveness of Singaporeans.
The entire ecosystem has been working very closely in fighting COVID-19, whether it's public or private.
Adversity breeds innovation, right?
From Crisis to Catalyst, premiering 31st December, Thursday on CNA.